Hello everybody, welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. Today, as you can see, is a very cold day, but we have to do this. We need to change the battery on this car. So we'll take you together and how to get this changed, as it's not as simple as it should be. Alright, so this is the battery underneath this cover, and you need to take this cover here. On the side, see two arrows. Take it out, and it's gonna go up. Now generally there's another cover behind this. You just take out and out, pull up and out. It's missing from this car, so that's what you have to deal with. Generally speaking, most cars will take these two battery holder. Come on, Amazon. Alright. And then you take these 2 millimeters and the battery will go out. But on this car, it's a little bit more challenging, as the battery is bigger than the space they gave you. So basically what you have to do, you need to take this cover where it's have the module in here. So you lift up and out. It's a little bit challenging, but it's doable. So you lift up, as you can see here, you lift up and out. So this tiny space will make it possible. This thing is too big. So let's try another method. Okay. Alright, as you saw earlier, this thing did not fit. So I brought in this regular wrench, 10 millimeter wrench. We are taking off the negative terminal first. So all you need to do is loosen it up a little bit. Alright, so it's loose now, as you can see. One note, because we couldn't take the negative right away, make sure when you're undoing this or this one, don't touch the positive battery, because mainly they will spark, because this is a positive and this is a negative. So take care, be careful when you're doing that. Okay, now because we couldn't get this thing out, see, now we can get it out finally. There's really no space there's really no space you can get your hand in, at the same time pull, and that's where's the challenge, because the cowl is in your way, the airbox in your way, everything in your way. So that's basically a challenge. Otherwise, it's just 2 bolts for the positive and negative, and 2 bolts for the holder basically, and that's about it. But because of the space and this location, that's what makes it difficult. So if you have a friend, you know, to help you out, that would be awesome. It's too cold for me, so I'm wearing gloves, makes it, you know, a little bit less grippy. So yeah, take a look at this battery. It's an original Motorcraft. Let's see, there's a production date. This is actually original to the car. It made in January of 2014. 13 January 2014. That's what's stamped into it. And also this one have the eye in it. If you look inside, it's a red color, so that's mean that the battery is dead. If it's green, that's mean the battery is good. So definitely the battery is shot. So to that, now we're gonna go and on the hunt, and hopefully we can find a cheap battery for a broke college student. All right, so let's see what we can do. All right, let's go find a battery.
There you go.
All right, so we are back. I brought in the battery and we brought in a brush, so we need to clean the corrosion of this old battery terminal. All right. Sweet. All right. Time to put everything back together. As I mentioned before, when you're tightening the positive, make sure you don't hit it anywhere in here, otherwise you'll arc it. Okay, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and give it a try. That's a good sign. go. Alrighty guys, that's how you change the battery on the 2014 Ford Focus. If you like the video, please thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.